What's up everybody, I'm Garrett, and today I want to show you how you can create a custom brush in Photoshop using your own logo.
Alright, so now that we're in Photoshop, let's go ahead and click Create New to start making our brush. I have a custom template built out. It's 750 pixels by 750 pixels. That's the size that works for me. My logo is square, so I need a square template. Make it this any size you want. I find that sticking around 750 pixels is a good size. It allows you to scale up your image and not lose any quality. You can scale down your image and it still maintains its shape. But by all means, do what works best for your image. Don't worry about color mode, background contents. Don't have to worry about that. You can just go ahead and click Create. And then you get this blank template. The thing you have to notice about this is that there's no logo here. You have to actually import your logo. And when you do, it's going to create a totally different file. We'll merge those two together. Let's just go ahead and open up the PNG file. So we have my logo, a bunch of different file types. I want my final with no border, and I like working with PNG files. So we'll go ahead and open that. If you're working with a JPEG, don't worry about it, same process. But I like PNGs because I don't have to worry about any white space, right? The checkerboard shows me that it's transparent behind the logo. So the logo is obviously much bigger than the template. We can just look at this going back and forth. What we'll go ahead and do though is hit select and select all, and then I like to do Control C, or you can go to edit and hit copy. Basically we just want to copy this logo over to our template, and then I hit Control V, or you can go into edit and hit paste. Now sometimes when you move your logo into this file, it's obviously going to be larger than the template, or a various size of your template that you don't like, and you can scale that up and down. You can see these blue lines. Sometimes you may not see these blue lines and you're like, well, yo, what's going on, Gary? Like, this doesn't make any sense. So I got you. If you go to edit and then you go down to free transform, it'll create this blue line with these boxes and it'll allow you to manipulate your logo. So we'll bring that down. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. If there is, let me know down in the comments. This is just the way I do it. And I get something that I kind of like. I think I want it just a little bit smaller. Bring it in like that. Boom, right there. Click the check mark. We are good to go. Perfect. So this is how we're going to make my brush. The thing about making brushes in Photoshop is Photoshop recognizes the blacks and the grayscales, but it'll exclude everything that's white. So if your image is black, it'll pick up the camera, the little click thing up top, my logo, but it won't pick up anything in the white space. And with grayscales, it does the same thing. The lighter the grayscale, the less opaque that part of the logo will be. The darker the grayscale, the more opaque it'll be. So we'll just go ahead and work with this. I'm happy with the way this looks. Let's move forward. So to create your logo brush, you're going to go to Edit. You want to click Define Brush Preset. In this case, I'll just go ahead and name it Logo. That's what it's going to be, is a logo. You click OK, and it should pop up. And there are no layers selected. Boom, there we go. Okay, so it did pop up. I just didn't have a layer selected. User error, user error. So that's it. That's how you make your logo. That's how you make your brush. We can go ahead and open up a file and test this. So let's go ahead and open up this file. And I already have a logo up here. That's pretty cool. I love that. And then just click. Boom. So I have my opacity down. We can bring it up. It'll make it more defined. You can also change your mode if you want a little bit more of a pencil-y look. You can do that. I prefer normal, and I prefer really, really opaque to just really stamp my work, right? My work says GFT photography. This is how people know it is my work.
That's all I got for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more content.